my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the
feel uninvited? Left you home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to today's vlog. In case you're new here, this is Muhiri Ann. Please welcome and feel at home, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment at the end. For my new subscribers, welcome you guys and feel at home. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always finding my content worth of your time. And for my premium gang, thank you so much guys for your endless support. I really appreciate and I can't take that for granted. So in our today's vlog, I'll be just cleaning our mat. Remember in my last video I did about a living room deep clean, and in case you haven't watched that video guys, please go back and do watch it. And I did a living room deep clean and I removed the mat from the floor, and of course didn't wash it the same day, and of course I did wash it on the following day. So after I washed this mat guys, I had to extend my energy on the bathroom. It was so dirty. So after here I'll be deep cleaning my bathroom as well, and let's enjoy the video guys.
messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why it is.
So you all will realize I just had to wash this mat like this because my bathroom is so small, like I couldn't even spread it all over. But again, this was the best way because it even reduced my time, and the mat is not even too stubborn to be folded. So this is how I washed it on this day guys. And again, we don't even have the outside balcony where you can wash it there, or the rooftop is there, but it's not that clean that you can go and wash your mat there. So this is how I washed my mat on this specific day guys, and I tell you, it just came out so clean.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So after done washing, I took it to the rooftop to dry up, guys, because up here it dries really well and very fast as well. So here I was just thinking of who can help me hang this mat, but I found this man up there just chilling, so he had to give a helping hand. So let's now work on the bathroom, guys. And what I normally do is that I start by soaking the toilet, in that when I'm done with the bathroom, the toilet will be ready to be washed as well. And in this house of mine, I don't have a separate toilet and bathroom. They just combined. So I'm soaking using scouring domestos powder, and also this loose save acidic cleaner, and I'm also using hurricane, and I'll also be adding some astonish on top. I normally do this combination of detergents because this toilet was not like this, guys. When I moved into this house, it was so dirty and you couldn't even use it. So I have been mixing a lot and a lot of cleaning products to make sure it's clean, and they have been working wonders for me. So that is how I do my cleaning, guys. So you stick around until the end of this cleaning, and let's enjoy the video.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause
we are actually almost to 500 subscribers, guys, and I'm very happy to that. Actually, I could already be there, but I took a very long break from YouTube, and still I hope it's not too late. Just get me there, guys, before the end of this December. That's the only gift I ask from you this festive season, and I really appreciate that, guys. And in that, by next year January, I start aiming at 1000 subscribers, so your subscription will be highly appreciated, guys. So keep subscribing if you haven't, and also share me out if you can.
'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up.
In case you people you are wondering why this toilet is actually near the door instead of being this that far end, I am also asking that question always, and I think the person who was given this contract did a very shoddy work, and the landlord was even kind enough to pay those people. But these are not our houses, guys. We live here and we can move anytime we feel like we are not comfortable, and maybe in the future we will build our own dream houses.
Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. 'Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love.
For the bathroom floors, I'm using scouring powder to scrub the floor, but in the process of scrubbing, guys, I just realized this powder is a little bit itchy and it might affect my skin. So next time I'll be doing a bathroom deep clean, I'll have to look for gloves. I know it's necessary, but for today I didn't have a one, and please forgive me for that. And next time I'm gonna have to go look for one for myself because I might end up hurting my skin, because even for it's very delicate. I don't even use most of the washing powders like Omo itself or Ariel because they peel off my skin. So next time I'll have to look for gloves to clean this toilet because the powder I have told you is itchy, and I was just trying to wash this toilet very fast to avoid getting hurt even more.
Me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby? Why do I?
So you guys, meanwhile as we finalize deep cleaning this bathroom of ours, let's have a little bit of chit chatting because I have a concern. And if you've experienced this before, please let me know in the comment section. Like in my last video I did about celebrating my son's birthday, that video didn't perform well, like if that is how I can say it, although it got some good views. So after like 2 days it had 400 views, but after 2 days when I went back to check, it had dropped for with 200 views. Right now I feel so demoralized, guys. I didn't even want to shoot anymore on YouTube because I can't be losing subscribers and as well losing viewers. Please let me know in the comment section if you have experienced that before. Just let me know in the comment section what could be the reason, because I actually don't know what happened. I'll really appreciate your feedbacks. So you guys, if you've watched this video up to this point, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that and I can't take it for granted. Do remember to like the video, also comment at the end, and subscribe in case you haven't. And you guys, remember it's festive season. Most of us, we are traveling home. I wish you nothing but Janmasis. Go have fun with your family members. Remember, December is our reunion month. Please go there, have fun, say hi to your family members. Let them subscribe to our YouTube channels, and we will really appreciate that, guys. So keep watching this video until the end.
I'm so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always leave me?
Finally, we are done cleaning, guys, and as you can see, our bathroom looks sparkling clean. Just let me know in the comment section how often do you clean your bathroom floors, because for me I can do it even twice a week or sometimes once, depending with the kind of energy I have for that specific week. So yeah, so in today's vlog it's just going to be this short, but I'm coming for more content, guys. Keep subscribing in case you haven't, and also share me out to your friends, and I really appreciate that, guys. So let's just end this video here, and let me see you in my next video. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year in advance. Bye bye.